Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to share YouTube link on Instagram story. So let's begin our video and check it out how to do that. So for that I open my Instagram, and then you can see this is my profile Instagram, and I want to share YouTube link on my Instagram stories. So for that I just go to on my homepage, and now firstly you need to copy your YouTube link on your phone. After copy your YouTube link, then you need to open your Instagram and then go to your story at the top left corner. Okay, now you can open or you can select any photo from here. So I just select this photo. So now you need to add your YouTube link. So for that, on the top you can see there have a sticker icon. Open it and scroll down, and you can see there have a option for link. So just open this link, and now there have a option for paste URL. So I just paste this link here. Just press and hold, and then there have option press. So after paste your YouTube link, then done it, then there you can see this is YouTube link. You can drag it here, replace it here, anywhere. Now your story, select your story to share, then done it. Okay, uploading, wait, uploading done. Open it, and there you can see this is YouTube link. So anyone easily open this link like that. So I hope you can understand, and guys, in this way you can share your YouTube link on in Instagram story very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.